Hey, this is Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. In my previous video, I unboxed one of my purchases from Hermes store recently, and so in this video, I'm going to unbox the second one. So the first one I unboxed in my previous video is this gorgeous mini Kelly. Ta-da! So if you're interested in my video, I also share my journey with the store, and please check it out. So this video, I'm just going to unbox the second one. Ta-da! Let me just zoom in a little bit so you guys can see clearly what it is. So ta-da! It is mini Lindy. The color is Rose Extreme with palladium hardware. This color just absolutely stunning. Again, I'm going to repeat it. My sales associate, it's very wonderful. So even including this time, it's not because I purchased a non-Birkin Kelly and then she offered me a Kelly. It's actually she offered me the mini Kelly first, and then only because I mentioned I'm also interested in the color Rose Extreme because I saw on the internet it's just beautiful, and then she said, oh, we have a mini Lindy, not sure whether you're interested, let me just bring it to you so you can take a look. So the moment I saw the color, I just know it's such a gorgeous and it's such a gorgeous color for the summer and for the spring. And the most important, this purse is very versatile, and because I can see I use this as every day, and also like going to the playground with Hendrik. So let me just do it side by side with my mini Kelly. The side by side, you can see it's a little bit bigger than the mini Kelly, and the depth is definitely almost like twice as the mini Kelly. And clearly you can put more stuff in it. And anyway, let me just show you guys how it looks like when I wear it. So I am 5'5", and I'm currently 5 months pregnant, but in general I'm on the pretty slim side, so I think the mini is just like perfect for me. It's not overwhelmingly big, and the weight, it's just perfect. It's not really heavy for my shoulder. And I think I can still wear like this. So if you have any questions regarding how to get a bag from Hermes store on Madison Avenue in New York City, please leave them in the comments below. My little journey, less than 2 years with the store, so far it's been really pleasant. My sales associate, it's wonderful. So the 2 tips I can offer, the first one is maybe avoid like busy hours, especially if it's the first time you check out the store. And the second is simply just don't give up. You do need to find, yeah, you do need to find a sales associate that is click with you. And hope you like this video, and be careful. Hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, like I said, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you. Bye.